So I wanted to quickly show you how to upload a iMovie file to Google Drive, which then you can put into your Middle Ages video game project folder, or you can even put a link to the video in your document. So the first thing you're going to want to do is when you have your video opened, you're going to go up to the button that says share at the top, and you have lots of options. One of them is if you have a YouTube account, you could upload it to that and then share the link with me in your project document, or we're going to go to export movie. And so we have lots of options. Large is fine, doesn't have to be a huge thing. And then call it something that you're going to remember. Just a video game trailer. And usually I put things on the desktop so I know exactly where it's going. And then I'll hit export. And it looks like I already have one called that, so I'll hit replace. So depending on how big your video game trailer is, it might take a little bit of time. So then we're going to go to our Google Drive, and so we're going to go to the upload button, and we're going to go to files, and then we're going to find where our file is. And so this is where naming something convenient will be helpful. And so I named it Middle Ages Video Game Trailer, so that's going to be that one. And then I'm going to hit open. And just like if you were uploading an image or something else to Drive, it's the same process, so it'll download it. And depending on how big it is, it may take a little bit of time. But we're going to go to one that I've already downloaded so you can see what it looks like. So it will download to your Drive. And it should have, maybe it's under recent. There we go, video game trailer. So it's either going to be in my Drive or recent, depending on how recently you open it up. And so now I have a video that looks like this. I can see a little preview. It may take a few minutes from when you upload it to actually be able to see it. So don't worry, give it a few minutes to do that. So next, I have some options. So one is I can open it up in the Drive viewer, or I can share it. And so in this case, if I wanted to put the link in my write-up or my Google document, make sure you give anyone with this link access to it. Hit save. I don't know why it's taking so long. There, oops. Try it one more time. There we go. So now anybody with this link, and I could copy and paste this link into my file. Another option, let's click away from there, is just like if you were going to put a document into a folder, if I click on this item, I can actually go to, let's see, if I had a folder open, so let's say I had a Middle Ages video game folder, I could actually drag that and put it into a particular folder. So if I've set up a folder, I can actually put it in there so that it's all organized. But make sure you give me sharing rights or viewing rights as you do that. So hopefully that's helpful.